Shark Crypto, airdrops, tap bots, trading.
Black Shark Team welcomes you back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to easily and quickly participate in the second season of the Grass Airdrop. If you missed the first season, don't worry, you now have a chance to earn even more. In the first season, I earned over 4,000 coins. At that time, the price of grass started at 0.7 USDT per coin, and now it has risen to 2.4 USDT. This impressive growth proves that the project is truly promising. So, if you want to claim your share in this airdrop, stay with me. I'd like to highlight that all the steps I'm showing are performed on my server hosted by OVH. I'll leave the link in the description. The server allows me to participate in multiple airdrops such as Grass, NodePay, and Bless. I'll explain how to order a server and set everything up in the next video, so make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. This is a very good project, so don't miss it. To join the second season, copy my referral link. I'll leave it in the description under this video so you can easily find it. Paste the link into a new browser window. Now, let's create an account. Enter your email address. Set a username. If your desired username is already taken, come up with a different one. Create a strong password. Here are the main requirements. Your password must include both uppercase and lowercase letters. It should contain at least one special character and one number. Enter the referral code. It will automatically be filled in from my link. After that, confirm you are not a robot, agree to the terms and conditions, and click register. After registration, check your email. You will receive a confirmation email. Click the link in the email to activate your account. Click Return to Dashboard. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your username and password, then click Access My Account. After logging in, you will be prompted to link your Solana wallet to your account. I will cover this step in the next video, so make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it. Go to the Store section. As you can see, there are several extension options available, including browser extensions and a desktop app. I recommend installing the desktop app. Click Download to start the installation, as it allows you to earn twice as many points. Versions are available for macOS, Linux, and Windows. I'm choosing Linux, but you should select the version for your operating system. After downloading, install the program and launch it. Log in and click Access My Account. Once logged in, you can enable Auto Start and Auto Update options. Return to the dashboard. If you see connected, it means you've done everything correctly and the point farming has started. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Grass and started participating in the second season. Leave your comments below the video, subscribe to the channel, and give it a thumbs up. Stay tuned for upcoming guides on how to connect your wallet, complete tasks, and set up a remote server for all-day farming.
Black Shark Crypto, airdrops, tap bots, trading.